Right, I got this the other day. Condor Bushcraft knife, or I think in some other places it might be called the Condor Basic Bushcraft knife. 3 versions, 2-inch, a 4-inch and a 5-inch. I got the 5-inch. Obviously it doesn't come with this string on the sheath. I've done that myself, just to carry over my shoulder. The sheath is lovely, brilliant. I believe it's 5mm veg tan leather, something like that. Really good quality, really thick, decent. Right now, I'll be honest, I've slightly shaped this handle myself. The handle normally just goes dead straight, like that, dead straight to there. I use the chainsaw file just to put a bit of a notch in there for somewhere for my finger to go. That's the only thing I felt a bit weird about, was it just swooped down straight to the blade. Now if the knife hadn't been so sharp, I may not have been so bothered, but when I got it, it was razor sharp. So sharp you wouldn't believe it. 3mm thick carbon steel blade. I don't know the precise ins and outs of what the blade's made out of. Feels pretty good, but it's just like any new knife, getting used to it. They all feel different. Hardwood handle with 3 pins. Like I said, I ain't no knife expert and I ain't no brilliant reviewer, but you can get the gist of this with it. Scandi grind blade. Just got to make sure I don't get shavings in my coffee or my water. Well, anyway, it's a little quick review of that. So far, seems a nice knife. But like I said, the only thing I've done is just done this myself with a chainsaw file. The only other thing I'd like is if it had a hole drilled to put a lanyard in it. But apart from that, for 28 quid, you can't go wrong.